Welcome to this video, where we will explain how to install the remote system on a local network. We will start by checking that the RS485 cable is connected to one of the ports of the control panel. We will do it through the CommPC port. Access the inside of the control panel and check that the remote card is connected to the CommPC port in the lower left corner. The next step is to connect the network cable to the control panel. If the LED changes to green, it indicates that the connection is coming correctly. In the control panel, we will select the COM1. For it, we will go to the menu and exit the first level with the password 27. We will go to point 4, configuration of the system, and finally we will exit with the password 9000. Next, we enter the communications menu and we will click in type of communication. We will move with the arrows and in the remote option we will select the COM1 port. Now, we have to enter the IP, the port, the gateway and the subnet mask in the configuration parameters of the control panel. In order to do it, we access the main menu. Go to System Configuration and select the Communication section again. There, we can access the Remote Connection menu. Now, we can introduce the IP in the IP section and save it with the Enter button. We will do the same process with the port and the mask section, where we will introduce the subnet mask. We also place the gateway and we will leave the UMIP option in 1 as active. Now, in order to save those connection parameters, we must physically restart the remote card. To do this, access the inside of the control panel. Locate the remote card and hold down the first white button for 6 seconds. On a computer that is connected to the same local network as the control panel, open a browser, for example, Firefox, and we enter the IP, colon, and port in the browser. Select the I agree button and in the user section enter master in lowercase and the password 9000. Now we have access to operate with all the functionalities of the control panel. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.